Hi guys, so getting ready to head over to the 27th Club here in Cleveland. It's Machine Gun Kelly's coffee shop. I'm just gonna grab coffee with a friend. Please excuse the mess that is my room. My life is very chaotic right now, but I'm just wearing Babe's leggings and my sports bra, and my little throw over jacket is from Target. I'm just gonna wear a denim jacket from Old Navy and my Yeezys. So just something real casual. So we're gonna go get coffee, and then from there, I'm gonna run to Target, and I think that's it. Probably just Target and then come back. I'm currently editing a video, so I'm gonna get that edited. Once I get back home, get that done and have it ready to go for Sunday. And then that's it. That's all I have going on today. I am like doing some TikTok clips and stuff. So if you guys are not following me on TikTok, follow me there. I'm actually way more active on TikTok. I've actually been starting, now that I've hit 1,000 followers on TikTok, I went live for the first time the other day, and I'm gonna start doing that, like get readies with me on live. So follow me on TikTok if you're not already.
My manager was calling me back in the day like, yo, promoters don't want to book you because they don't think you're going to sell no tickets because they say you talk about Cleveland too much. I look at it like it's 6 years later and I'm still shouting Cleveland on every fucking stage, on every magazine cover, showing it off, tattoos and all that. I put that on every fucking song. I'm my daughter of Cleveland, motherfucker. So don't tell me shit about this city. You know what I'm saying? I'm a Cleveland motherfucker till I die.
Well, the press-on nails that I used to get are gone. So we'll just get everything else in this. So I just left Target. And I have to use the bathroom like real bad, but I need to go to Chick-fil-A. Not I need to go to Chick-fil-A, but I'm getting myself Chick-fil-A. So go to Home Depot. So you know what? Actually, I'm just gonna go to Home Depot because I need to get some paint for I did like that textured paint. Like I had this old painting in my house that I've had it for probably like 5 years and I never hung it because it didn't fit my aesthetic. So sorry Frank, I did like the little textured painting over it, but now I need to paint it like the color that I want. So I was thinking about spray painting it, but then I was thinking about just like painting it. So I need to go to Home Depot and get some paint. So you know what? I'm just gonna go to Home Depot so I can use the bathroom and get some paint. What the frick? It's like people don't have driving etiquette. So I'm gonna run in here to Home Depot, and then I'm going to run to Chick-fil-A. I'm gonna go home and finish my laundry, finish editing that video so I can get that out to you guys, and then I'll probably take a nap. I'm supposed to go out later tonight, but that's like later in the night, so I have enough time to take a nice nap before I have to start getting ready. I think I'm gonna go live on TikTok as I get ready tonight. So again, if you're not following me on TikTok, make sure you're following me. It's Genuinely Bree, same name as my Instagram and my YouTube. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys right now. I'll show you what I get out of Home Depot, but I don't really think I have anything else to share right now. I need to figure out what to do to my hair. Like, I kind of want to curl it, but unfortunately I'm gonna have to straighten my leave out again. I'm high-key really thinking about just getting a perm. Like, at this point, I feel like it just does not matter. I did not want to get a perm because, like, when my hair is relaxed, it's so thin. But trying to straighten my hair enough to that it matches my extensions is like, it's just gonna get heat damaged anyways. So, and I don't know how to do my natural hair. Like, my natural hair just not work the way that I want to for the type of styles that I like on my head. I know that, like, sounds like dumb because, like, your natural hair is supposed to be what fits you best, but I don't believe that's the case for me. So the way that I like to wear my hair, my natural hair just does not fit. So I'm maybe doing a relaxer here soon, but I'll talk to you guys when we get into Home Depot. But I am sitting here because I am getting ready to finish this DIY wall art that I started. It was in a previous vlog. I'll link that previous vlog where I started it, but now I'm going to paint it. And I want to show you guys what I was doing. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I got from Home Depot. This picture, I believe, is going to go in my living room on the wall. And I ordered a couch from Value City. And saying that I'm not going to get it until like November, and it's been a hot minute since I ordered it, but it's a cream couch, so I'm trying to like switch over to like neutrals, lights. Only color that I really want to have in there is like natural greens and like natural colors, except for during the holidays and stuff I'll change it out, but I wanted the painting to be neutral as well. So I picked up this shade. I was looking at another shade too, but I ended up going with this one. It's Shark. I don't know if you guys can really see it. It's just like a neutral white. It's not like white, but it has like just a little bit of texture to it. So I just picked up a sample size, and I picked up a brush, and I'm just gonna paint it and see what happens. And I may decide to add like some other colors into it, maybe add a little bit more texture, dimension or something. So that's why I just got the sample size to see how far we get and if I even like this color, if I want to change it to something else. So I'm just gonna put on a YouTube video. Right now I am watching Maya Galore's new video, so I'm just gonna watch that in the background, and I'll do some b-roll of me painting this for you guys. I used about half of that jar. I'm gonna let this dry. I'm gonna put another coat on it, because as you can still see like the pinky tone from the spackle, and because I just decided to paint the frame, you can see the dark wood through it again. So I'm gonna do another coat. So I'm gonna let this completely dry, and then I'll do another coat. I only used about half of the jar, so I'll use the other half for the second coat. And then if I don't like it, then I'll go buy another one of those jars and do a third coat. But I don't think I want to add anything else to it. I think I just want to keep it the plain canvas. But yeah, so far I like it. I really like the color. Again, I gotta let it fully dry so I can get like the true color, but I think it's gonna be pretty. Oh, I am right now, I just made myself a little drink. This is just pineapple juice and cranberry juice. It's like those individual servings of pineapple juice. I just open a can of that, and then I just fill the rest of the jar up with cranberry juice. And right now I am going through my Google Photos, because I don't know if you guys know this, but I used to have a online boutique, and I'm working on bringing that back. I took some time off because the pandemic was just really hard for small businesses, and I was a new small business, so it was really, really rough for me. And I just kind of was like in a space where I wasn't giving it all of the time and energy that it needed. So last year I closed my boutique, and now I am bringing it back slowly. Right now I'm just trying to get rid of the previous inventory that I had before I bring a new inventory. And I'm doing it through Etsy because Etsy pushes people to shops. Like, they already have a, I don't know like what to call it. They already have like clientele who goes and search for certain things on the website. So it'll give me way more traction than trying to get people to go to my own website. So yeah, I'm starting through Etsy this time. I'm starting small again, and just gonna see what happens. I'm putting back the inventory that I had from before, gold plated jewelry, rings, and things like that. Also, all of my merch is on there as well, so all of the Prosper merch. And then I also have some downloadable things that I've worked on. Everything is going to be on the Etsy's. I'll show you once it's done. So what I'm doing now is I'm just going through all of my old photos and stuff that I took, so I can update the Etsy shop with photos and videos, just so that it's easier for people to shop. So I am doing that now, but I'm just pulling all of the photos and videos from Google Photos. That's a really, really good app to get because you can access it on your phone, and you can also access it right from. I'm just gonna go ahead and get these photos together, update the listings on Etsy's, and once it's done, I will show you guys.